Let's walk through the productivity bonus calculator. In 2026, part of a productivity bonus, a performance bonus, profit sharing, or a balance sheet gratuity can be completely free of Portuguese income tax. First, your monthly base salary. This matters more than it looks because the exemption ceiling is measured on it. Let's enter €1,500. Next, the gross amount of the bonus. We'll use €1,500 as well. Then the pay rise your employer made this year across the company. This is the condition that decides everything. It has to be at least 4.6%. Let's use 5%. And finally, your number of dependents, which sets the withholding rate. We'll leave it at 0. Instantly, the calculator shows how much of the bonus is free of income tax. The ceiling is 6% of your annual base pay, and annual base pay here means 14 months of base salary, not 12. The breakdown below shows the part that stays taxed, what is withheld in the month the bonus is paid, and what comes back at next year's settlement. That last point surprises most people. The bonus arrives with tax already deducted because the employer cannot yet confirm the pay rise condition. That's it. Change any field and the result updates live. Try it yourself at Calculadora Capital.